Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste links in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, navigate to any website that contains a link you want to copy. This could be a news article, a social media post, a blog, or any web page with hyperlinks embedded in the text. Now look through the page and locate the specific link you need. Links are typically displayed in blue or underlined text, making them easy to spot. Once you've found the link you want to copy, you'll need to highlight it. Click at the beginning of the link and drag your cursor to the end, or you can triple-click on the link to select it all at once. The highlighted text should now appear with a blue or gray background indicating it's selected. With the link highlighted, it's time to copy it. Right-click on the selected text and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, click on Copy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and C at the same time. This copies the link to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted elsewhere. Next, open a new tab in Chrome. You can do this by clicking the plus icon at the top of your browser or by pressing Ctrl and T together. A fresh tab will open, showing you the address bar at the top where you normally type website addresses. Click inside the address bar to activate it, then paste the link you just copied. To do this, either press Ctrl and V on your keyboard or right-click inside the address bar and select Paste from the menu that appears. The link will instantly appear in the address bar. Finally, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Chrome will load the page associated with that link, taking you directly to the destination, and that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted a link in Google Chrome, allowing you to quickly navigate to any web address without typing it manually. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.